How to fix Sendit not working on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. See if that helps, and if not, then open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Sendit and make sure the Sendit application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app. See if that helps, and if not, then go back to your home screen and swipe up on your home screen, and you will be led to the app switcher. Go ahead and simply quit all the apps along with Sendit and Snapchat, and once you restart the app, open the apps again and see if that helps you in connecting, and if not, then open Snapchat on your device and then tap on your Bitmoji on the top left. Here, tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen, and here scroll down and navigate to additional services tab and then tap on the permissions tab. Here, go ahead and check if Sendit need access to Snapchat related features are enabled or not, and make sure the necessary permissions have not been disabled. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then you can simply go ahead and try to reinstall the Sendit application from your device, and once you reinstall it, your issue should have been fixed. If not, then if you recently sent a large number of requests, performed repeated actions, or received a Snapchat restriction, then Sendit may not work correctly until the restriction clears. So don't repeatedly attempt the same action, and if Snapchat has temporarily locked an account for certain reasons, then you might need to wait 48 hours before trying again, and if not, then you can also contact Snapchat support for additional assistance. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Sendit not working on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.